Okay, students. Uh, Up to in my previous class, what we learnt in the last class.
Commutative property, sir.
Commutative property over addition over subtraction over multiplication over
Very good.
division.
So all those properties we have learnt in a previous class. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now today we are going to. Okay. Today I am going to take one more property. That is, look at here.
Associative property.
Very good.
Associative property.
So this is associative property. Okay,
Property.
you know that in a previous class we discussed about the commutative property. I think all of you understood about the commutative property. Is there any doubts in that
Yes,
particularly?
sir.
No
No,
doubt, sir.
sir. No doubt. No, sir.
So let us, we have
No,
to
sir.
move now. First, I want to take over division, associative property over addition, not division, over addition. First, I want to take over
Addition.
addition. So,
Addition.
what does the meaning of associative property? That is also very important. In a commutative property, we have taken only two examples. But today, we are going to discussing about the associative property. That means we have to take three properties, three examples like A, B, and C. Like three examples we have to take here. Over addition means associative property over addition means first we have to add these in this form. How? First look at A plus B. First you have to add A plus B. After adding these two to this we have to add C. And you have to same again you have
A
to
plus
A
very
plus
good
C.
A plus
A
here
plus
Bracket
B
B plus C.
Bracket B plus C bracket complete.
yes. Now like
plus C.
so this is the way of writing associative property over addition. If both LHS, this is LHS and RHS. In these two
RHS.
cases, whether the answer is same, then only it will be satisfied. If it is not equal, so that means the property will not satisfy. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, I want to take the examples A as -5, B as -3, C as 8, like that. I have taken here A as -5, B as -3, C as 8. Now I want to take LHS and RHS simultaneously. Together I will take and I am going to solve by putting the values. Now see here, I want to write A plus B plus C is equals to A plus bracket B plus C. Okay, now put the values here. What does the meaning of A? That is -5. Plus is there. So what is the value of B? That is -3. Put in bracket. Okay, na? And finally C is what? That is it. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ,
Yes, sir.
ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Again -5, A is -5. Okay na? Plus bracket B means -3 plus C means 8. Is it right? So in this way we have to
Yes,
express.
sir.
Now I want to solve the values first. Those are inside the brackets. So what are the values here? First I want to solve -5 plus into minus is -3. Is it
Minus.
right? Very good.
Yes, sir.
And
-3.
plus 8. Okay. And here also -5 plus -3 plus 8 is how much?
-5 plus 5.
Plus 5, sir. Plus 5.
Plus 5, sir.
The answer is +5. ಯಾರದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದು?
Plus 5, sir.
ಹಾ,
Plus 5, sir.
+5 was the
sir.
answer. Okay. And now come to this. -5 -3.
-8.
-8. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಉಳಿತು? +8 ಉಳಿತು. ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -5 plus into plus is +5.
Plus.
Now -8 plus 8.
0.
0, sir. 0.
-5 plus the answer is both sides we get the answer 0.
0.
Is it right?
LHS is equal to RHS.
So
Yes, sir.
therefore LHS is equals to
RHS.
RHS.
Yes.
Is it right?
RHS, sir.
Very good. So
Yes, sir.
from this example we get the answer LHS is equal to RHS. Now come to the one more.
Yes,
If A is equals to -9, B is equals to -5, C is equals to -3. Here in all these examples, now look at, I want to put these values in the property, that is associative property over addition. You know that what is that property? Here A plus B bracket plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Okay. Now I want to put the values. So here A has -9 plus B has -5. So okay, plus C is -3. Okay, now E is equals to A is -9 plus again B means -5 plus C means
-3.
-3. Very good. And now solve the bracket first. -9 plus into minus is -5.
Minus, sir.
Very
-5.
good. Plus into minus
Minus
-3
3.
is equals to -9 plus here -5 as it is plus into minus
Plus into minus is equal to minus.
Very good. Now -9 minus 5
-14, sir. -14.
-14. Okay.
-14.
Here -3. Very good.
3.
And here -9 plus -5 -3.
Minus 8, sir.
Very good. -8.
Sir.
Is it?
Minus.
Okay. Now
-17.
-14 -3 is equals to
-17.
minus into plus into minus is -8
-8.
-14 -3
-17. LHS is equal to RHS.
-17.
Whether LHS is equal to RHS?
Yes, sir.
Yes, LHS is equal to RHS. Is it right?
RHS. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you know that from these examples, so we have taken 2 examples. Among these 2 examples, both examples got LHS equal to RHS. Both LHS equal to
Yes, sir.
RHS.
Associative
Is it right?
property over addition is satisfied.
So in this form, you have to write and solve the problems in this way. After solving, so in associative property over addition, in every LHS and RHS, the answer will be equals. So that means we can directly write the statement. What is the statement?
Property.
Associative
Associative
property over addition is satisfied.
Is satisfied.
Property over
Addition is satisfied. Addition
Over
is
addition
satisfied. Is satisfied.
satisfied. Very good. He is satisfied. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes,
So
sir.
now we have to do over subtraction.
Subtraction.
Okay, now we have to take over subtraction.
Over subtraction.
Okay, now we can write
Yes, sir.
a minus
A
b
minus B bracket complete minus C equal to A minus bracket B minus C bracket complete.
Is that right? So this is the way of
Yes,
writing
sir.
the properties, and now again we have to start to solve whether it is satisfied or not. Now look at with the examples. So see here, a is equals to minus 3, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to 4. I have taken the example like this.
Yes, sir.
So I want to prove whether it is satisfied or not. Bracket
Minus
minus
3
3 minus
minus
of
minus 1
minus
minus 4
okay.
equal
A is
plus
minus 3
minus 3
minus
bracket
minus
plus 4 minus 4.
correct. अर्थ आयता?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is minus 3
Minus 2
minus into minus plus 1
plus 1
minus 4 is equals
2
to
equal
minus 3
minus
and
3
here
minus
minus 1 minus 4.
4.
Okay na? Again
Yes,
solve
sir.
this one. Minus 3 plus 1
Minus
is
2 minus
minus
2
2
Sir.
and
minus 4
keep as it is.
minus 4
Very good. Minus 3 and minus
plus
here
1
minus
plus
1
1
minus 4
Minus
minus 5.
5
5.
Very good.
minus 5
And you have to keep
minus
it
2
is
minus 4 equal to
minus
minus
3
3 plus 5
here. Minus into minus
minus
plus.
plus 5
Very good. Now minus 2 minus 4 is what?
minus
Minus
6 equal to 2
Minus
2 plus 2 sir plus 2 sir plus 2 sir
plus 2 not minus 2. Very good.
Plus two,
Whether they
sir.
are equal? Whether they are equal?
no sir no sir
They are not equal.
not equal sir not equal sir
Very good. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, now everybody keep mute your audio. Don't talk. A minus B bracket complete minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. Therefore, you can write associative property.
associative property over subtraction is not
Don't repeat. Associative property over subtraction is not satisfied. So this is the statement. You know that I already told in a previous class, whenever it fails in any one example, that means you directly write that the statement it is not satisfied. Okay. So in any one example it will be fails, that means entire that property will fails or not satisfied. Now come to the over multiplication. Now come to over multiplication.
over multiplication
Okay.
Over multiplication.
Over multiplication. Fine.
over multiplication sir
Sorry. Over multiplication node on. Over multiplication, see here. A into B into C is equals to A into bracket B into C. So this is the associative property over multiplication. I want to prove with the example A is equals to minus, so minus bada ilele plus 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. B is equals to minus 5 C is equals to minus 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. I have taken 3 examples, 3 integers. So now look at, I want to prove whether it will satisfy or not. Okay, na? See here.
Yes, sir.
First I want to take LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, A into B into C is equals to A into B into
B
C.
into C.
Like that. You have to write these numbers. Okay, now start to solve. How? Put the values of A, B, C here. So what is the value of A? That is 2 into
Plus
what is
2.
the value of B? That is minus
Minus
5.
5. 2 into minus
Okay.
5.
Into minus 2 minus 2 is equal
Minus
to
2.
and A is 2 into
2
into bracket B is minus 5 into C is minus 2. Okay, now look at plus 2 and minus 5. So what is the answer?
Minus 10. Minus 10.
Minus 10.
Very
Minus
good.
10.
And minus 2
Minus
as
2.
it is. Very good. And
Equal
here
to
the
2
Now
into
Plus 10.
plus 10.
minus into minus.
Plus 10.
Plus 10.
Very good.
Minus plus 20. Plus 20. Plus 20. Plus 20. Plus 20.
Therefore,
LHS is
LHS
equal
is
to
equal to
LHS is equal to RHS.
very good. Okay, now
Associative property over multiplication
Yes,
is
sir.
satisfied.
we have to take one more example.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
A
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to minus 1, B is equals to minus 2, C is equals to minus 3. Now prove that. Again we have to put A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. Like that. So wait ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. Now put the values. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋದು?
Bracket minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3.
Into
Very
minus 3.
Minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into
minus 1
Minus 2
into minus 3.
minus 2
Minus 2 into minus 3.
very good. Now minus 1 into minus 2.
2
plus
plus 2, sir.
Very good.
Into minus 3.
Minus 3 correct. And here
Minus 1 into plus 6.
plus 6
sir.
plus 6 plus 6
now
Minus 6, sir.
minus
Minus
6
6
here.
equal to minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6.
LHS is equals to
Associative property over multiplication is satisfied.
Associative property over multiplication is satisfied.
Okay, now keep quiet. Now everyone keep quiet. Associative property, don't repeat. Over multiplication is satisfied. Simple is there. Okay, na? So the one more is there. What was that? Over division. Okay, over whether it is satisfied or not.
Not satisfied.
Very good. Yes, you already knew about that. So you once
Associative
again we have to
property
prove.
over division is not satisfied.
Yes. Let us check. A division B division C
C
is
equal to A
A division bracket.
division B division
Yes.
C.
by C.
Yes. With example. So minus 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. minus 2. A is equals to minus 2. B is equals to 2. C is equals to 1. ಬೇಡ 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Now
Yes,
look
sir.
at. Now A
Minus
by B
two
minus 2 by
minus 2
2.
division 2.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್
Yes,
ಬೈ
sir.
ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ 3 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
3
ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು
is
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ
equal to
ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ 2
minus
ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್
2
ಬೈ ಬಿ ಬೈ
minus
2 divided by
2 divided by 3.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Now this
Yes,
one
sir.
gets cancelled. What has left? minus 1 divided
Minus
by
1
is
3
equals to 2
minus
divided by 2 by 3 ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅದು. ಈಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by 3 ಆಯ್ತು is equals to
equal to
ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ರಿ ಈ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಂಟು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
2 into 2 by 3 by 3.
3 by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ರೈಟ್
3 by
now 2 to get cancelled
3 by 1
ಇಲ್ಲೇ minus 1 by 3 ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬಂತು equals to 3 ಬಂತು
3 by
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು equal ಆ? they are equal
not equal, sir.
Yes,
they are not
equal to RHS.
therefore
Associative property over
is not equal to
associative property of division is not satisfied.
okay now keep quiet listen my words A division B division C is not equals to A division B division C and the final statement is be like that associative property over division
Is not satisfied.
is not satisfied.
Not satisfied.
Okay, so this is the entire associative property. Once
Sir.
here associative property, recall whatever we have learnt now. Associative property. So over addition, over subtraction, over multiplication,
Over multiplication. Over division.
over addition is satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Over subtraction,
No, sir.
over multiplication,
Yes,
over division.
sir.
Very good. So ile A plus B plus C is equals to A plus
A plus B plus
ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ A minus B
minus C.
not equal to
Not equal to A
minus C.
B minus C.
Very good. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
A into
A
B into C.
Into C is equal to A into bracket B into C.
A divided by C
divided by B
divided by
into
C
C
is not equal to A divided by
A divided by B in divided by C.
are understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So is there any doubt in this property?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Now finally come to the one more property that is a distributive property.
Distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property.
Okay.
Distributed property.
Okay. Now keep mute your audios. first look at distributive property. So in this distributive property here, so only two properties we have to learn. What are those? The first one is over addition. Over addition. And the second one is over subtraction. Only these two property we will learn in a distributive property. So now there is no multiplication and there is no division in a distributive property. So first I want to take distributive property. Distributive property over addition. Over addition. And this can also be read as multiplication over addition. This one is also known as multiplication over addition. So in both the name we can call it distributive property. Distributive property over addition is also known as multiplication over addition. How we can read it? How can express it? Look at here, a into bracket b plus c is there. A into bracket b plus c is there. So in this form we have to express. But now look at, if I multiply a with b is equals to a into b. This can be expressed in a into b, and here plus is there. So a is multiplied with b, that is a into b, and again a is multiplied with c. So first here plus is there, plus, and a into c. So this is LHS and this is RHS. So this is called as a multiplication over addition. This one is known as the multiplication over addition. So distributive property. And again look at, so this yes, multiplication over addition, this is the formula. Here now I want to prove whether this property will satisfy or not. So with the help of the examples. So now look at examples like a equals to minus 6, b is equals to minus 3, and c is equals to minus 2. Here I have taken three examples, a, b, c, in this way. Now I want to prove. So look at, what is the distributive property over addition formula? That is a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. You should have to keep in your mind the formula can be expressed in this form. Now put the values. A means minus 6 is there, into here b means what? Minus 3, plus c means what? Minus 2. Yes. Again come to RHS. A is minus 6 into b is minus 3, plus a is what? Minus 6 into b is, sorry, c is minus 2. So now let us solve. First minus 6 into here minus 3 plus into minus is minus 2. So here minus 2, and again minus 6 into minus 3. Minus into minus is plus. 6 3s are 18, plus 18. The answer is 18. And here minus into minus is what? Plus. Plus into plus is again plus. Therefore plus 6 2s are 12. The answer is 12. Here minus 6 keep as it is, into minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Okay. And here 18 plus 12 is, so that is 30. The answer is 30 here. And what about here? Minus into minus plus. 6 5s are 30. Here also we get plus 30. And here also we get plus 30. Therefore, you know that LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the formula. So that means it is satisfied. So this is satisfied. Now everybody tell me whether it is right or not.
Right, sir.
Yes.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir.
In this example, is there any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ
No, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಸರಿ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. Therefore you can write that distributive property over addition is satisfied.
Addition is satisfied.
Satisfied.
Distributive property over addition is satisfied.
Over addition is satisfied. Simple
Satisfied.
is that. Yes. So this is the answer. So there is a one more is there, that is distributive property over subtraction. Next one is
Subtraction.
distributive
Over subtraction.
property. Yes. Over subtraction, and this can also be written like this, multiplication over subtraction ಅಂತಾನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ.
Subtraction.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಂತಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Here,
Distributive property multiplication ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ.
yes, distributive property,
It is called as multiplication.
not multiplication. Multiplication over addition over subtraction. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓವರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir.
A into B minus A into C. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂತು. Is it right? Now, so with the example we have to prove this one. So if A is equals to minus 4, B is equals to minus 10 and C is equal to minus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Now I want to prove this one whether it is satisfied or not. Now look at. So A means what? Minus 4
Minus 4 into
bracket.
plus
B
10
means
Minus 4 bracket minus 2 bracket close.
equal to
is equals to
minus
Here,
4 into
A means
10
okay minus again
minus
is
4 into 2 minus 2
minus 4 minus 2, and here minus 4 into 10 minus into minus is plus 2.
2 plus
So,
is equal
minus
to
4 into 10 is minus 40. Here
minus
minus
40
into minus is
minus
plus
plus plus
plus
8
into minus is
plus 6
plus into minus again
Plus
the minus is there, minus 8. ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ,
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And minus 4 into 10 plus 2 is what?
20
12. ಓಕೆನಾ? And minus 40 minus 8. ಈಗ ಎರಡೂನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. minus 4 into 12 is
Minus 48.
minus 48.
Minus 48.
And here minus
Minus 48.
48.
minus 40
Minus 45.
Therefore, LHS is equals to
LH equal to
RHS.
LH equal to RHS.
whether the it is satisfied or not. A into B minus C is equals to
That is equal to A into B
minus A
minus
into
A
C.
into C.
Therefore,
Therefore,
property.
distributive property over subtraction is satisfied.
Distributive property over
Therefore, distributive property
Over subtraction.
Distributed property over subtraction is satisfied.
Very good. So here also satisfied. Okay, na? So you have to do the two more example for these properties. So once we have to look at distributive property over addition over subtraction, only two. It is also satisfied and
Yes,
it is
sir.
also satisfied.
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 Whether is there any doubts in the associative and distributive property?
No, sir.
If there is any doubt, you have to ask.
No, sir.
No doubt.
No, sir.
no, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now mute your audios. Here, now look at. Today I am going to tell you the few more. Therefore, the first one is additive inverse. Additive inverse. So additive inverse means, look at here, if I want to take any one integer, I will name it as a x. I think this is an integer. Okay, na? To this, what I have to add? What I have to add here? What I have to add to get the answer 0? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಗೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ -5. ಟು ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Sir, -5.
Can I tell, sir?
ಹಾ, yes,
Can I tell, sir?
Plus 5, sir. Plus 5.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. -5 ಗೆ +5 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ -10 ಗೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
+10.
Plus 10.
Okay.
Plus 10.
-15 ಗೆ
+15.
Plus 15.
okay. And 25 ಗೆ -25. Okay, now tell me, what is the additive inverse of -1?
1 plus 1.
Yes,
Plus
what
1.
is the additive inverse of 2? What is the additive inverse of 2?
-2.
-2, sir.
-2. What is the additive inverse of x?
-x.
Minus x.
Minus. What is the additive inverse of -p?
P. +p.
Plus
Okay, na? They are the
Yes,
additive
sir.
inverse
Yes,
of.
sir.
Okay, and you can say +1 is the additive inverse of -1, or you can say -1 is the additive inverse of +1.
+1.
Here also 2 is the additive
Yes,
inverse
sir.
of -2. Okay, na?
Yes,
Or you
sir.
can say -2 is the additive inverse of 2.
2.
Like that, you have to tell. Either they are
Yes,
the
sir.
additive inverse of both. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So this is the additive inverse. Additive inverse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Now come to the multiplicative inverse. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ -2 ಇದರ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದರ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/-2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಈಸ್ 1/10.
10.
These are the inverse ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್
Sir, I want.
-5 ಈಸ್
Sir.
1/-5. ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಸೊ 2ಗೆ -2ಗೆ ಇದರ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದ 1. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ -2 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಬರ್ತಾ. ಹಾಗೆ multiplicative inverse means whenever you can take any one integer to this, what you have to multiply to get the answer 1. Therefore you know that if I take -6 to this, I want to multiply inverse of this. The inverse of -6 is -1/-6. By multiplying both,
1.
you will get the answer 1. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me, what is the multiplicative inverse of -3?
1/-3.
1/-3.
1/-3, sir.
-3, sir.
What is the multiplicative inverse of 100?
1/100.
1/100.
1/100, sir.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದರ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ನೇ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಅದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the multiplicative inverse of -x?
1/-6.
1/-6.
P. What is the multiplicative inverse of P?
1/P. 1/P.
What is the multiplicative inverse of XY?
1/XY.
1/XY. So these are the multiplicative inverses. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You should have to keep in your mind. Now, you have so knew about additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Now come to the additive identity. Additive identity.
Yes, sir.
Additive identity. What does the meaning of additive identity is very important. So in additive inverse means whenever you can take any one number, the inverse of this additive inverse is +2, we get answer 0. But additive identity means whenever you can take any one integer, to this integer what you have to add to get the answer -3 only. -3 ನೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. Yes. 0 ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ?
0.
What is the additive identity of -5?
0.
0, sir.
And only we get the answer. What is the additive identity of 70?
0, sir.
70. ತಿಳಿದಲ್ಲ? 0 ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಡಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get the same answer. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So additive identity is what? 0. Nenpirli, keep in your mind. The additive identity is 0.
0.
Okay.
0.
Now multiplicative identity.
One.
Very good.
One, sir.
Multiplicative identity. ಈಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, -3 ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, 1/-3 ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ.
1 by
ಅವಾಗ
-3.
ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು.
Yes, sir.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್,
Into
what I have to multiply to get the -5 only?
One, sir.
1.
sir.
Correct ಅಲ್ಲ?
One, sir.
One, sir. Yes, sir.
If I multiply 0, what we will get the answer?
0.
0.
Zero, sir.
But we need only -5. So if you need -5, that means we should have to multiply 1. Then only we get the -5. Okay, na? And the multiplicative identity of -7.
Minus into one, sir.
1 into
1.
1, sir.
And 50
1, sir. 1, sir.
into 1. Okay.
1.
So 1 is what?
1, sir. Multiplicative identity.
Multiplicative identity.
Identity.
Obviously, it is a multiplicative identity. All of you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No,
In
sir.
my today's class,
No, sir.
we learned in my today's class we learned associative property,
Associative property, distributive
distributive property,
features, additive inversity,
Additive inverse.
multiplication inverse, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse,
Multiplicative inverse. Additive identity.
additive identity, and multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity.
Okay, so these topics we have learned in this
Discussion
short
today.
class. So in today's class we discussed today. So on these topics
Distributive property,
and
additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, additive identity, multiplicative identity.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
yes, please ask.
Sir,
Ask the
can
question.
you please tell,
What?
read, sir?
ಯಾವುದು?
Additive inverse.
Additive inverse, ಸರಿ, additive inverse ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Yes, additive inverse means, look at, whenever you can take any one integer, -8 I have taken integer. ಈ -8 ಗೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ +8 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ -8 ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ +8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ 3 ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, -3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್, ಆ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಯಾರು ಬಶೀರಾ?
No, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Sejal, sir.
ಬಶೀರಾ ಸೇಜಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೇಜಲ?
Yes, sir. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ಸೊ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ +7 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ -7 +7 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ 0 ಬಂದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. The homework is associative property ಗೆ 4 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಓವರ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್, ಓವರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಓವರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಓವರ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಗೆ 4 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Yes, sir.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 10 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇವ್ರು.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ
Yes, sir.
10 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now is